everyone, today I'm unboxing the Canon printer Pixma Ink Efficient E3177. This is the color printer, inkjet printer from Canon. Now I'm opening this box. Here is the printed documents with CD. And this is the printer driver disk, which we need to install the printer drivers on computer. This is the Readispro Disc, which came with this printer. This is the safety user guide. And we have the warranty card of this printer. This is the quick start guide. We have this instruction manual how to set up this printer for the first use. It has all instructions how to set up wirelessly or via USB cable. In this box we have the two cartridges. This is the color cartridge 57S and this one is the black cartridge 47. And we have the power cable for power supply. Then we have this USB cable for connecting printer to the computer. So let us keep them aside and let's look at the printer itself. This is the printer, and I'm taking this printer out of the box. So let's take this thermocol out of. Let's take the cover out. And this is our printer. This is our printer Pixma. This is the adjuster where we keep our A4 size papers. This is the scanner. This is the printer output. Here we have the power button, network button, direct, information and settings, and this we have the screen for the printer functions. We will be able to see all the printer functions on the screen. At back side we have the power slot. This is the power slot where we connect the power cable, and this here we have the USB connector. So let's install the cartridges. This is the color one. These cartridges are well compatible with this printer. This is the color one, the black one, black cartridge. So we have installed the both of the cartridges, color and black as well. So let us power up. Let's turn it on. After when it is on and powered up, we will able to see the functioning on the printer screen. We can connect this printer to the wireless network for wireless printing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also comment.